Hey, what's up with Pop, y'all? It's your girl Yana, and welcome to Emiliana Design. This is where you learn all things Pinterest, Procreate, Plan With Me, GoodNote videos, decor, and coloring pages. You guys, how I find inspiration for my coloring pages. By the way, I have created this here. This is my coloring book that I created from Procreate. Okay, I drew all of these from Procreate. It's called Aligned by Design, Affirmations for Creatives and Entrepreneurial Spirits. On the back of here, I have a synopsis of what this coloring book was meant for. And I will have a separate video explaining this, going into depth, now available on Amazon. Okay, so let me show you guys how I start my coloring page process. What you need is an iPad Pro and you need a Apple Pencil. I go to Pinterest. And by the way, guys, this is my Pinterest. These are my Pinterest boards. If you guys want to follow me on Pinterest, because I would love that. I want to start like a Pinterest family and a Pinterest group. So this is my Pinterest name. Emiliana_designs. This is also the same handle you're going to find me on Instagram. Let's do a general search for Christmas. So let's make a board. What I do is I create a board of like, I'm going to put Xmas inspiration or Xmas inspired, okay? I just kind of like find different images I like. 3 Christmas stockings. Let's search that, see what we get. Something of this nature. So let's save that in the board. The ones that I picked for the coloring page. What I believe I'm going to do is I'm going to use this picture. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the 3 lines and download this image. It's going to save it to my camera roll, okay? And then I'm going to take this image and download that as well. Download these stockings. So that is the preparation inspired for my coloring pages. Stick around for the next video to show you how I import those pictures and start to create my coloring page. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. See you on the next one. It's your girl, Emiliana Designs.